Alright, finally grabbed one of these. This is not a toy, bro. This is your Black Panther cordless screwdriver set. Now, they had these in the store, limited edition, for $45, which is just insanely crazy. You can buy a Hyper Tough of just this for $18. This stuff here the value of this is like $10. So at max, the value of this thing is $20. So I saw these that were 45. I made a video of them laughing at them, or I took pictures laughing at them. Anyhow, so most stores, this one on clearance for 15, but started at 29. This particular store was holding out. I have no clue why. You would scan it with the Walmart app, and it would come up and say 15. So I grabbed one and went up to the front, and I said, yeah, the app shows 15. She looked at it, and she's like, oh, I don't know. The original price on this is 45. I can't lower it to 15. I can't do it. That's just too much. It's more than half. I was like, all right, whatever, lady. So I went and I took two. I hit him in the store. Literally 3 days later, I go back to the store. They're still showing 29. You know, they're in the walk-in aisle. It's got the sign 29. I grabbed one, scanned it. $15. There you go. Got him. Now, it's a screwdriver. It's a drill set. This stuff's super dangerous. So, wear a dust mask. Wear gloves. And wear head protection. Wear eye protection. And whatever. This stuff is super dangerous. Super dangerous. It's amazing living in this society where everybody is such a pansy. Oh, I don't know what's holding that. I don't know if it's tape. Super pansy society means I have to use a super big ass knife to try to open that. Oh man. Taking so long. It'd be so much easier if I just use my fingers. Oh my God. Oh yeah. That's a W. There it is. Do we have anything holding this thing shut? I don't think so, because a lot of these are sitting in the store open. Look, we got a handle. We got some metal there. Let's see what we got inside here. Open. Oh yeah. All right, here's our tools, which you can get at Harbor Freight for like $5 or something stupid. But no, $45. I don't know why that does that. I don't know what the point of everything is. Here's our manual. This right here is worth about 20, right? Okay. $45, and these things can't even stay in place. That's the best part of this. Where do they even go? They go like this. Nobody knows. So this is what you're getting. Got a T25. Oh, at least they could be a T25. T25. Okay. These are all useless. Let's see. These are Okay, useless. Okay. PZs, huh? Whatevs. What the hell is this thing? Is this a magnetizer? Oh, magnetize, demagnetize. Oh yeah, this thing's worth about $30 right there, huh? Huh? Interesting. All right. And then lock both ways. Marvel. Let's see what we got. Stupid. Stupid. It can't be micro USB or USB-C. It's got to be this stupid thing. That's so stupid. Oh, we got a light at the bottom. Interesting. $45 and a sticker is falling off here. 5 volt, 1 amp. So we're using USB voltage, but you know we can't use USB-C or micro USB. We got to use this stupid connector. So you're stuck, and it's even using the USB. Oh my god, it's just ridiculous. Press. What's pressing this do? Oh, we can go straight. Oh, look at that. Oh. How do we turn this light on? That should read the directions, huh? To reduce the risk of injury, users must read the manual. Yeah, read the manual. Oh, we got drill option, really? Oh, wow. That's a real pain in the ass to get that in there. Wow. Oh, my God. Oh, is that the press? No, that's to change this. Wow. $45 for this high quality. All right. This is a press. And then this thing, once you put it the drill, oh my God, it just gets stuck. So you got to go grab your Harbor Freight, your Tractor Supply, and break it loose. And then you got to get it used to turning to that setting. What in the hell? $45? $45 they wanted for this. What garbage. Let's see if I can finally do it with my hand. Barely. Oh my God. What the hell? Wow. All right. Jesus Christ. What up, furnace girl? Hey, boy.